Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable to build a no-code CRM. Begin by logging into your Airtable account or creating a new account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, click on the Add a Base button on your Airtable dashboard. You can either choose to start with a template or create a base from scratch. For this guide, let's select Start from Scratch. Name your new base something relevant, like No-Code CRM. After naming your base, you will see a default table named Table 1. Double-click on the table name to rename it to Contacts. Now, let's set up the columns we need for our CRM. You can start by modifying the first column, which is typically labeled Name. Set the field type to single-line text. Next, add a new column for email addresses. To do this, click the plus icon at the end of the existing columns. Name this column Email and set the field type to Email. Now, let's create a column for phone numbers. Again, click the plus icon and name the new column Phone. Set the field type to Phone number. You can create additional columns based on what information you want to collect. Consider adding columns like Company, Status, or Notes. Next, let's click on the Grid View dropdown in the top left corner. Select Add a View and name it Active Contacts. In this view, filter to show only those contacts with a specific status or criteria. To add a filter, click on the filter option at the top and set your desired condition. Now it's time to set up automation for follow-ups. Navigate to the Automations tab found in the upper right corner. Click on Create an Automation. Choose the trigger that works for your needs, such as when a new record is created. Define the action, like sending an email or updating a status. Be sure to test your automation to ensure it works as expected. Now, let's integrate Airtable with other tools for enhanced functionality. Use the Apps button on the upper right to find various integrations. Select popular tools that you may want to link, like Slack or Google Calendar. Follow the prompts to authenticate and set up these integrations based on your preferences. Your no-code CRM is taking shape. Now, regularly update your contact records and make sure to check your automation settings. As your needs change, feel free to modify fields and views for better efficiency. This customizable nature makes Airtable a powerful tool for managing your CRM. You are now ready to effectively use Airtable as your no-code CRM solution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.